Well, former President Jimmy Carter is back home with his family in Georgia. His foundation announcing Saturday that he's receiving hospice care. Fox News correspondent Alexis McAdams has more.
Former President Jimmy Carter will no longer seek medical treatment following a series of hospital stays. In a statement, the Carter Center says the beloved 98-year-old, quote, decided to spend his remaining time at home with his family and receive hospice care instead of additional medical intervention. He has the full support of his family and his medical team. The Carter family asking for privacy during this time and is grateful for the concern shown by his many admirers. Carter is the oldest living president in U.S. history. He was elected the 39th president in 1976 after defeating incumbent Republican Gerald Ford. After leaving office, he and his wife Rosalind devoted their lives to humanitarian efforts. They founded the Carter Center to promote human rights and advance public health across the world.
They believed in public service, and I hope they inspire people to take time to know who they are, in the case of President Carter, and inspire future generations to realize public service matters.
The former president has also spent much of his time outside of office building houses with Habitat for Humanity.
We always feel much more grateful after a week of work at Habitat, and sometimes the work is very hot and hard. But we always feel like we get more out of it than we put into it.
In recent years, he dealt with a series of health issues, including beating brain cancer in 2015. Former President Jimmy Carter advocated for world peace and human rights throughout his career. He was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2002. Reporting in New York, I'm Alexis McAdams, Fox News.